Hey guys, how you doing? If you're following my YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, if you're following all of my social media, we are here in Playa del Carmen, Mexico right now. Check out that view. We got a little clouds here today, but it's still beautiful. Look at the ocean, man. We got like 7 different shades of blue and green water. We're at a beach club right now. It is amazing. Absolutely. You got a pool right on the beach. Right below me here, you have the beach. There it is, right there. So welcome to Mexico. So I've been traveling for almost 3 years. I have not flown back to the USA in almost 36 months, and I've been making all my money online. So I do a couple different things, okay? So what we do is we sell products on the internet, all kinds of different products, clothes, sunglasses, flip-flops, okay? All kinds of stuff. Shoes, whatever. We sell bags, we sell all kinds of stuff. One of the places we sell is on Amazon. So I've been selling products on Amazon for about 5 years now. I'm one of their top 10% income earners. We sell products on Amazon, and then we just market the products. Amazon sells them. Okay. So they pay us a big commission to do this. We sell all their products on Amazon. They pay us commissions. The second way to make money is the online consulting business, actually teaching people and showing people how to do it. Okay? Check out that pool. Got a little DJ over here. This is one of the top beach clubs in Playa del Carmen, Mexico right now. Over there, I don't know if you can see the big cruise ship. There's a big cruise ships. There's 4 or 5 cruise ships that come into an island right over there called Cozumel. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, if you're not making at least 10 grand a month online, you're missing millions and millions of dollars. Okay, you need to learn how to do this and then travel the world. So all I need is a good Wi-Fi connection, my laptop, my smartphone. I need some stuff to sell, some products and services, right? And the number one product to sell online is education. Actually teaching people how to make money online. That's the number one way to make millions of dollars. In fact, if you don't believe me, why don't you go on Google? Why don't you look up Amazon, look up eBay, look up Tony Robbins, look up Richard Branson, look up all these famous gurus and what they're doing. They're all making money on the internet. And the number one way is to sell products on the internet, number one. And then number 2 is to teach people how to do it. Education is a $100 billion industry plus. You know, think about it. Apple, Microsoft, it's all education, guys. Even though Microsoft had the number one computer system in the world, the number one computer software program in the world, Apple built the number one computer program in the world. Computers and iPhones and Apple. Okay, so if you're not making money online, if you're not making money online, you're an idiot. You have to learn how to do it, or you're just gonna be broke when you're a senior citizen in your 60s or 70s. You're gonna be broke, man. What are you gonna live off your Social Security and your retirement check? Come on. If you are a millennial, if you're in your 20s or 30s, if you are at a job and you're slaving for somebody else and you're sitting in traffic every morning for 30 minutes or more, or at night, you're wasting your time. You're making somebody else rich. You're making me rich. So if you want to learn how to live this great lifestyle, travel the world, make money online, it's really simple, okay? And nothing is for free. Anything for free it's all bullshit. I'm not going to send you an ebook and say, hey, read my ebook and I'll show you how to become rich online. It doesn't work that way, okay? You have to hire somebody to do it. So one of my greatest mentors of all time said, James, just hire somebody, take their system, copy it, and just make the same money they're making. So the easiest way to make $1 million a year is to take somebody. What do you got? Yeah. Here, hold on. We're trying to buy some drinks here. Okay, so say hi, hola, say hello. There she goes. Okay, she's going to buy. That's my partner in life. Does anything I ask. So here's the thing, guys. If you want to make money, if you are making money, but you're not where you need to be. Let's say maybe you're making money on the internet. You're selling something. You're making let's say you're making $10,000 a month. Let's say you're making $20,000 a month. Let's say you're making $50,000 a month, and you want to double, triple, quadruple that. You're making 50 grand a month, but you want to make 200 grand a month, right? There's a way to do it, and it's really, really simple, and you can turn it on just like that. You have to have the number one system online, and I know what it is because I'm using it. I copied a billionaire system but I invested a lot of money. I paid a lot of money to get that system. So if you would like to know what that system is, keep watching me. Just click on the description below, or just send a private message. But don't say, hey, what are you doing? I'm interested, and then don't leave any information. You have to send your name, your email, your mobile number. You got to send us your information so we can contact you, and then we get you on a live, what we call a discovery call. We discover what you're doing, we discover what you're not doing, and then we'll show you how to do what we're doing. If you love the idea, you can copy my system, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Okay, all right, so we're saying bye for now. Check out the ferries. See those little ferry boats over there? They take you to Cozumel, the island right over there, and then, yeah, we do this all the time. So I live here now, part of the year, travel the world, been to 32 countries. I'm going to keep going. My goal is to go to every single country where I can sell products online and build an empire to leave to my family, leave to my kids, you know. So, you know, the number one way to live a great lifestyle, guys, is making money 24 hours a day, and you don't even have to really do any work. You know, you just check your bank accounts every day, you check your online wallets, you check your PayPal, you check your Stripe, you check your accounts every day, and you see how much money you make. But you have to set up the system. So if you like that idea, just send a comment, send us your name, your mobile number, your email, all of your information. We will, if we contact you, we get thousands of leads daily. Thousands of people contact us every day on social media. If we contact you, we'll show you exactly how to get on a live call with myself or one of my six-figure earners, somebody who's making at least over 100 grand a year, doing exactly what we do here, what I do in my team, and then we'll see if we can help you too. Okay, cool. Keep watching my videos. Anything I can do to show you how to make money online or anywhere, I will, including real estate. Okay, how about make $1 million online and dump it all into real estate and make another 20 grand a month with an apartment building or a hotel or condos on Airbnb? How about that? That's the number one and number two way to make millions, guys, and get rich and wealthy is real estate and online. Real estate and online. If you're not making money in real estate, you're a fool. If you're not making money online, you're a fool. If you add those two things to your life, it happens really fast. Within 1 or 2 or 3 months, your whole life has changed, literally, okay? So send us a message, your name, your email, your phone number, country code, because we do this all over the world. I'm doing this in over 60 countries. I have clients right now in, I think, 24, 25 countries. And yeah, we'll contact you, and let's see if we can help you create a fortune for you and your family, okay? See you soon. Keep watching my videos. We're gonna have I don't know what you're waiting for. Send a message right now. Keep watching my videos as long as you want. All right, salud from Mexico. Where's your drink? You're gonna drink a beer? Oh my gosh, she's actually gonna drink a beer. Wow. Woohoo. Come on, let me help you. That's how you open a beer. Here, you guys drink that, I'll drink this. Oh, wow, that's good. Wow. Woohoo! I don't know. Learn how to live the good life, guys. Make a lot of money on the internet. Travel the world. Hang out in beautiful places. Absolutely gorgeous. Click on the link in the description below, or again, just send us a private message. Name, mobile number, country code, email, Skype, whatever. Send us everything. We will contact you. I can put you in business, or I can change your business literally in one day. If you're not making money, if you're not making $10,000 a month, I can get you to make $10,000 a month within 10 days. If you're making $10,000 a month and you want to make $100,000 a month, give me about 30, let's say 60 to 90 days. And I have partners of mine and myself that will show you how to do it, okay? It's that simple. Get with the program. If you are not making $10,000 US a month on the internet every month while you're sleeping, you are losing millions of dollars every year for the rest of your life. You'll lose $10 million that you could have made that you never made because you never decided to make a change in your life and learn how to do this online internet business. It's simple. And it's 2019. Come on, guys. If you're not selling something online, you're absolutely just, I don't want to say anything weird, but just, I don't want to say, you're just a fool, okay? Come on, you got to make money online. If you're not making money online, get with the program. Otherwise, struggle and watch us make all the money, right? Watch us drive the Ferraris and the Lamborghinis and the Rolls Royces and live in the big houses and travel the world like this. You can keep watching us or you can join us. If you love that idea, send us a message. Country code, mobile number, your name, your email, your Skype, your Zoom, everything. Say, I am interested, James. I love it. Put me in business. I want to make money with you. Let's go. You're still watching my video. I don't know why you're doing that. Send us your info. Get with the program. It is November 2019. If you are not set up and prepared to make at least a minimum of $100,000 in 2020 online, send me a message right now. I'll help